How to restrict and unrestrict accounts on Messenger. So to start, we'll have to open our Messenger account, and then in here, as an example, I'm going to restrict my other account. To do that, we'll have to tap and hold on the message, and then a pop-up menu will appear. What we need to do is to tap on the restrict option. By doing that, it will automatically hide the account and the message. So if we want to unrestrict an account, what we need to do is to go at the bottom part of the screen and then tap on the menu icon. After that, tap on Settings, and then under Settings, we'll have to scroll down again until we see this option, Privacy and Safety. Under here, we'll have to scroll down and then look for this option, Restricted Accounts. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then after that, it will show you all the accounts that you have restricted. If you want to unrestrict an account, all you need to do is to tap on the account, and then in here, simply tap on Continue. After that, you will now see this option, Unrestrict. Simply tap on this one, and then after that, if we go back on our inbox, that account will automatically appear here. So that's how easy we can restrict and unrestrict accounts on Messenger. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.